Hi guys, but they come and ask me say if I start a YouTube channel. Mm-mm. I'm afraid I don't know. Bad. Me? Oh, no nice at all. I'm be worse. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Me nah bother. No.
So guys, we are back with another banger, and this time around Elaine-Thomson Herah is sending a very quick message, a quick warning to those Jamaicans that are monitoring her life. A lot of Jamaicans are actually monitoring Elaine-Thomson Herah live behind closed door, and in this video I will reveal to you the messages and the warnings that Elaine-Thomson Herah sent to some Jamaicans that are busy monitoring her life. So this is one of the Jamaicans that commented on Ellen post, and she said, "Ellen, are you still married or not? Are you still married?" And Ellen replied to this Jamaican monitoring her life, and she said, so why are you coming after me and asking me these questions? How does me being married or not being married affect the cost of living right now in Jamaica? And I feel like this is actually one of the best reply I have seen from a celebrity so far. I feel like Elaine-Thomson Herah is trying to match her energy, because I mean the question is silly, the question is disrespectful, and she deserved the reply that Ellen gave to her. Now this is another Jamaican that is monitoring Ellen life, and this one said Ellen is moving like she is single. She doesn't even wear a ring any longer, and she does not snap pictures with her husband in her side. And Ellen replied to this particular person monitoring her life again. She said, "Fly by the day, peach. Fly by the day, peach. By night, you clean your house already. You sweep out under your bed. Why are you making me upset? Your stomach so early. I have some Pepto missile for you. Lady, stop watching out and monitoring my life. I'm good. I'm fine." Oh my god. That's crazy, guys. When I saw the whole drama, when I saw everything on social media, I was laughing out my stomach. I was like, what? This is the kind of athlete model I'm looking for. I like those people that are ready to give it to people back to back, because I mean these people have no business in Ellen, whether she's single, whether she's married. She's an athlete, for God's sake. This lady is training. She's training, and she's not going to take her husband to training ground. No, you guys are the ones that complain that her husband is the one spoiling her career. Yes, a lot of Jamaicans are the ones complaining back then that her husband is the reason for her downfall, and now she's trying to stay away from him, and some Jamaicans are coming after her and asking her silly questions. That's crazy, guys. It doesn't really make sense that much to me. So I feel like Ellen gave the best reply, and I'm so happy she did.